Hi guys, welcome to this quick video on how you can find and use bookmarks in Microsoft Word. So for example, if I wanted to bookmark the test for oxygen here, what I would do is I would highlight it, I would go to insert, and then I'd go to bookmark. And then I type in my name. So it's the test for oxygen, I'm just going to type in oxygen. And I'm going to click add. It's as simple as that. So for example, if I'm all the way at the top of the document and I want to find out where the test for oxygen is, I want to go to that bookmark, all I now have to do is go back to insert, click on bookmark, and then highlight the one I want, so oxygen, and click go to. And it'll take me right to that bookmark in my Word document. That really is everything you need to know. Thanks for watching the video guys. If you enjoyed it, please click on like down below. You can also subscribe to my channel, that will be a great help. You can visit my website and you can have a look at my latest videos. Thanks for watching.